Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the TP-Link Kasa strip, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TP-Link Kasa strip light, power adapter, a strip controller, a user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. Installation. Before installing the TP-Link Kasa Smart Light Strip, choose a clean, dry, and smooth indoor surface away from water and static areas. Slowly remove the 3M adhesive backing and press the strip firmly onto the surface for 10 to 15 seconds. Secure the controller in place, avoid sharp bends behind LED beads, and only cut the strip along marked cutting lines after unplugging. Finally, connect the power adapter to turn on the light strip. How to pair? Start by downloading the Kasa Smart app from the App Store or Google Play. Connect the light strip components properly, ensuring the arrows on the strip and controller match. Open the app, tap the plus button, select device greater than Smart Lights, choose your model, and follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup. Smart features? Enjoy vibrant lighting scenes with smooth color transitions, customizable effects, and dynamic patterns to match your mood or activity. Use voice commands with smart assistants or control your light strip remotely through the Kasa Smart app anytime, anywhere. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the TP-Link Kasa strip, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice.